Cardano is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that has a current worth of 0.295153 and a market capitalization of 10,335,532,027. Digital currencies have long passed the reason behind being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers these days. It's a resource class that is significantly controlled and surprisingly embraced. As lawful delegate, some huge venture banks even fundamentally secure Cardano and other digital forms of money all at once to safeguard their resources under administration on against the jogging expansion that handicaps the conventional monetary business sectors. Thus a foresighted financial backer ought to basically work essentially a piece of their portfolio around digital currencies with the end goal of enhancement and to have the option to endure the in every practical sense potential disturbances on customary monetary business sectors, or so they sort of thought, notwithstanding because of the unpredictability of ADA and by far most of other digital forms of money. Having crypto in the portfolio requires kind of nearer checking of the events on expressed markets to have the option to enter leave the situation at the most truly suitable second. It's reasonable that most financial backers don't have the fundamentally full-time ability to follow the business sectors by any means basically times or anticipate their in every practical sense likely developments. To work with this errand, the accompanying Cardano cost expectation has been explained with the help of the high-level instrument named the Crypto Unpredictability Record (CVIX) to guarantee the exactness and the legitimacy of this ADA cost estimate model. Before we get into the Cardano price analysis and figure, let's go over the main rules of investing in cryptocurrencies. Now is a good time to talk about our short, medium, and long-term predictions for the ADA market, which are based on the readings of our Crypto Unpredictability Record, which helps us see what the market thinks. While the coin is currently ranked 8th overall, its real position is based on its current value plus its current market capitalization. This is an equation that is used in every financial market. Our administration keeps an eye on any changes in these three areas so that our clients can get the most accurate information about how advanced assets are being used in their portfolios. Cardano's price was 0.309611 at the end of trading on August 9th. And the price change was $2.37. Just 7 days earlier, on August 10th, ADA was worth 0.306608, which means the price hasn't changed much since then. A month ago, on August 11th, a market participant put the price of Cardano at 0.296134. Since then, the coin has moved 0.33 to get to where it is now. On August 9th, yesterday ADA was worth $10,839,887,546 on the stock market. On August 10th, the market capitalization of the coin in question was $10,730,368,152. A month earlier, on August 11th, the market value of Cardano was $10,35,938,184. But despite the fact that market capitalization is a good indicator of Cardano's popularity and dominance, it doesn't always match up with the amount of trading volume. This is because the market capitalization is calculated on a daily basis, while stock prices are calculated on a quarterly basis. Capitalization of digital currencies, including ADA, could be skewed by the unpredictably high number of transactions that could happen on the organization for various reasons, such as hacking attempts. A sharp rise in such transactions often has an immediate effect on the price of the basic digital resource and could lead to an unwarranted rise in market capitalization, which gives investors who are watching the market an opportunity to make money. As fast as the business market is growing, there are often controls that could hurt how your stock looks. Total supply looks at the number of coins that have been created on purpose, such as through mining. These digital currencies can be used for real-time trading or stored in investors' wallets or with caretakers. This measurement also looks at the number of coins that have been slowly taken away through a process called consuming, which is supposed to control the growth rate. At this point, all of Cardano's stock is shown as 36030-277-986. ADA. Finally, the coursing supply is used to figure out the market capitalization and evaluate the coins in every way that matters. It is the total amount of ADA that is being traded right now, excluding coins that are locked, frozen, or temporarily unavailable for general use for reasons that are not clear. It's generally thought that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million are the best for long-term investment because their value is likely to rise over a long period of time, possibly many years, while still growing at a reasonable rate. Crossroads Cardano really has 35,017, 587, 598 coins in circulation. High trading volume is usually a sign that liquidity is flowing into a market, which shows the very wide premium and digital forms of money and makes sure that trades go smoothly. However, it should be noted that the information about the continuous trading volume isn't very good for making long-term price predictions. However, it does give a good idea of how the market is doing right now, which is especially important for short and medium-term price predictions made by Oryx exclusive calculation. Smart investors in digital money shouldn't ignore this number when deciding whether to invest or not. The guideline here essentially is to, for the most part, get into the activity when the volume begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the combination region, and forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after a significant convention in an unpretentious manner. It's far better assuming that those cost shifts occur in the areas that match with generally kind of high volume, which truly are typically shown through tall bars on the comparing marker that by and large is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals in an obtrusive way, taking care of that we should survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Cardano market throughout the accompanying time spans throughout the course of recent hours. The exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the mark of 294.485 to 115 recently on August 9, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame game remained at 254. 748, 913 7 days prior on August 10. How much ADA that was traded between market members was a Bitcoin price prediction as bears pull BTC down to $29,000 level. Where is BTC going next? Recently, Bitcoin has stayed above $29,000, which could be a good sign, but it hasn't hit $30,000 yet. It has been trading between $28,900 and $29,280, which shows how unsure the market is. Notably, people who own a lot of Bitcoin are selling less, which could mean they think its value will go up in the future. The recent rise in Bitcoin's value may be related to PayPal's release of PayPal USD, PYUSD, a new digital currency. This global payment company has joined the world of cryptocurrencies by making PYUSD, which is built on Ethereum technology and made to keep its value stable. This is a big deal because it's the first time